Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the Roblox voice chat option is not showing. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you are new here, subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. First, go to the home page and tap on More. Select Help and Safety. Then, click Help to be redirected to your browser. In the search box, type Voice and select the first result. Scroll down until you see Was this article helpful? Click Need more help, contact support here. Enter your birthday and fill in your username, first name and parents' email address. Select your device. Set the category to technical support and choose a specific experience issue as the subcategory. In the description box, explain your issue. Hey Roblox team, my microphone option is not showing, please fix it. Finally, hit continue and submit. And that's it, your problem is going to be solved. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.